Hey there guys, welcome back. This is Prano and today I'm making a video on Poco F1. And guys, this is a great phone for running PUBG, but this phone has a major issue, that is the touch lag issue guys. Touch lag issue is nothing but whenever you play the game PUBG, whenever you press multiple buttons, then the game will not react guys. Means some delay will be there in the game always when you press a button. So this is the major problem guys. So I got a solution for you. You just go to the settings guys and go to the display, and here you can see notch and status bar. So go to the notch and status bar, and I have a theme, so ignore it guys. So here you go to hide notch settings. So here there are three options: don't hide, hide without moving status bar, and hide and move status bar. So I've selected the second one. You can also select the third one, no problem, both are same. What this do is it will limit your area portion guys. Means you'll play in full notch game, but this setting will directly cut out half display and make the touch enhanced. So you enable the developer options by tapping on the build number several times, and now you can see developer options in your phone. So go to the additional settings, and there you can see developer options guys. So there's some tweaks you can do in developer options. There you scroll down and find force 4x MSAA settings guys, and this will increase the performance. Means it will reduce the delay in your Android phone. So next thing you should do is go to languages and input, and there you can find keyboard, mouse track and trackpad settings. So there you find pointer speed guys. So what does this actually do is it will reduce to 1% guys, and this pointer speed, when it got reduced, it will directly cut your touch delay guys. Means it will respond faster than before. As you can see in my gameplay now, I can also feel the change guys. I can actually play PUBG with more ease, and it is really like I'm playing in an iPhone. And guys, if you don't believe me, just go and try it out for yourself guys, and definitely it will work for you too. And I can really feel the change guys. Before there were so many updates like Android 10 and even PUBG update, this screwed up my touch guys, and now guys, I have fixed it. I hope you like the video. Thank you guys, subscribe me and stay tuned for more videos.